Jesus, where do I want to start from? See, the worst thing that can happen to somebody or to me is the worst thing that can happen to me right now is when I felt I've recorded like a 20 minutes or should I say 15 minutes video. I've been talking and I've been looking, I've been showing, I've been doing everything, and just for me to finish and say thank you for watching and everything, and I want to put off my camera, and I just go and realize nothing recorded. It hasn't. In fact, my phone has been off. Where do I start from? Oh God. Oh yeah, now maybe start again. I have just 20 minutes to do this because I need to go for school run. Oh, I don't like this kind of. And once I don't shoot this video now, if my son comes back, I'm not shooting this video again till I don't born. Which kind of frustration be this now? Oh my God. Hello. I don't feel motivated again. I've used all my ginger. I've used everything in that previous video. This thing is painful. Hello guys, welcome back to another segment, or should I say welcome back to my video. Where do I start from now? In fact, let me just go straight to the point because I know I'm no longer in that mood, but let me just go straight to the point. I just want to show you guys what saved my skin during pregnancy. I mean, I'm 3 days, like I have 3 days to delivery, so I'm overdue. But then I just want to show you guys what I've been using on my skin during this pregnancy period. Actually, I usually don't have a great skin during pregnancy. I mean, normally self, I don't have the glass skin I want. I don't have the skin I want. I don't have a great skin, and even when I get pregnant, it's like worse. It's ×5 worse. I break out more and all that. So before I got to this stage of my pregnancy, I got some products and I was like, I wanted to start using it, but then I thought about it and I'm like, what is the need of using it when even when you're using it, your hormones might be fighting against you and your product might just be wasting. You will not know if it's working because maybe your pregnancy wahala don't stop harm, or you know. So I just decided I'll keep the product and wait post-pregnancy, then I start my skincare journey. But then there are still some products I use that saved my skin. Like I still have this kind of good skin. First things first, that was that my acne disappeared. And I'm like, acne, why don't they fight? I've been fighting for how many years to just stop seeing pimples on my face, because that's what gives me hyperpigmentation. I've been fighting, and all of a sudden during pregnancy, or should I say this product I used stopped it. And I realized it was because I had a broken skin barrier. I don't know if that's the word, but then my skin barrier was not it. So I think when I started using this product, it healed my skin. And since that time, I've not been experiencing anything like acne. I mean, I'm pregnant. Like pimples, I've not seen any pimples on my face. It was really unbelievable to me. Now, the first step I do before starting any skincare, whatever, is to exfoliate my skin. Exfoliation simply means taking off the dead cells off your skin, and then when it's, you know, when the dead cells are off, once you use a product, it's really effective. It works because your skin is easily going to absorb it. But if you don't exfoliate, it's more like you're using those products on a dead skin. It's not easily going to absorb it. You're just wasting your product. But the truth is, I've not exfoliated for like 6 months now. Yes, I've not, because the exfoliator I want to use is this particular one from The Ordinary, and I'm like, well, let me just leave it. When I'm done with my pregnancy, then I'll use it, and other skincare products I got. So I've not exfoliated, and then my skin is this nice. What if I now exfoliate and now start using those skin products, these skin care products I bought? Anyways, let me show you guys the ones I got. As you can see, they're still in their packs, they're still sealed. I've not used any one, they're still new. I just ordered for them so that once I give birth, game could change, you understand? There will be a difference. So I have this The Ordinary glycolic toner. I have simple hydrating moisturizer. I also have this Korean skincare product I bought. This is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, and this is a serum. It's a K-beauty. I bought the Cosrx, the viral Cosrx nail mucin. Definitely, I can't miss out on this one, and I know it's going to work for me. And I also got this dark spot correcting glow serum. It's still a Korean skincare brand. I also got azelaic acid because I heard it works, and my exfoliator from The Ordinary. Then retinol. I got this particular one from CeraVe because, in fact, before I get all these products I got, before I get anyone, I used to do research. The kind of research I used to do, I never read them for university. I used to do research. I go through reviews. I see the bad part. Like, I see, because definitely it's not going to work for everybody. But then it's that one I want to hear so that I will know what I'm going to do for it to work for me. So I got this retinol. I got this simple wash. I also got kojic acid. Sorry, that's a kojic sand soap. I also got this niacinamide from Good Molecules too. I got product too. Then I got this CeraVe cream, niacinamide serum from Good Molecules, and my sunscreen from my Outreach sunscreen, and then this soap from Good Molecules. Now the truth, these are the products I used or I'm currently using. The thing, there's no skincare therapist that won't tell you to use a sunscreen, whether in the dark or whether in the sun or under the rain, under the sun or in the rain. They'll tell you to use a sunscreen, whether it's winter period or summer. Always use a sunscreen. Whether you're going out or not, always use a sunscreen. But the truth is, this sunscreen, I got it since before September. I've not even used it up to 10 times. But do you understand? I mean, when I start using all these things, I just hope it works for me, and I know it's going to work. So this is what I did. I felt like my skincare barrier, or this is what I just used basically, because I think what happened to my skin was not being hydrated enough. So whatever product it was just breaking. I was just breaking out. I was not hydrating enough. I was using products that were drying my face. So I think that was what was making my skin to break out easily. But then when I started using this cream, I didn't buy the lotion because I heard the lotion is light. That's different between the cream and lotion. Lotion is lighter, the cream is thicker, and the cream is more recommended for when you want to use during the winter period on your body and all, while the lotion, but then I still got the cream because I needed something to hydrate my skin, or should I say to moisturize my skin very well, and it worked for me. I mean, when I started using this cream, I noticed my pimples started disappearing. I stopped having there was no new one coming out. Do you get? So for me, it's really worked. It's still working for me. But then I incorporated this serum. I was like, let me just use something else so that I will know what's working, and they've been good together. When I also use this on my face, this soap. So this one is a hydrating soap too. So they've all been doing me really, really well. I mean, like I said, I've not exfoliated, but look, they still work. When I use this soap, I don't use this serum every day. I use it maybe today. If I use it today, I will not use it tomorrow. Do you understand? But my face used to be over, I think on the overdo. My face used to be over moisturized now. So these products really worked for me. Also, I'll unbox these ones. Let's see how they look. I'll unbox them later on when I start using them. But I don't plan on using these skincare products all at once. No. I plan to, be incorporating them one by one to know which one is going to work for me. So please stay posted, or should I say stay still. I'm going to keep you posted on my skincare journey, especially when I've given birth, so that we are going to, if you've used any of these products, please put it down in the comment section. Which one worked for you? Which one did not work? What really happened? Which one do you plan on getting? And that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for staying or for sticking by. More to come, especially on the skincare part. More to come after this mama here comes out, because the first step is for this person, this baby in here to come out. And we are going to start our, because she has been holding me back, but then the first step is for her to come out safely. And when we are fine, our skincare journey starts. Thank you for staying till this time. See you in my next video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. It's going to be back-to-back content, because right now I think the reason why I've not been dropping videos was because I actually was concealing my pregnancy at the time. I didn't want anybody to see my face and say, hey, you're pregnant, So, but right now it's going to be like this. Please stay still. Don't go anywhere. Don't forget to like, share,